Is it safe to consume boiled eggs at night?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to demystify a common dietary question. Is it safe to consume boiled eggs at night? Boiled eggs are a nutritious snack, high in protein and packed with essential nutrients. But there's some confusion about whether it's safe to eat them before bedtime. Let's find out.
Understanding boiled eggs.
To start off, it's important to understand what makes boiled eggs such a nutritious food choice. Boiled eggs are packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and a range of vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin A, B vitamins, selenium, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin.
Digestion and sleep.
When considering any food for late-night consumption, one important factor is digestion. Heavy, fatty, or spicy foods can disrupt sleep quality because they require more effort to digest. However, boiled eggs are relatively easy to digest, making them a more sleep-friendly snack compared to other options.
The effects of protein before bed.
Protein before bed can have several benefits. Studies have shown that a small protein-rich snack before bed can help with muscle repair and growth during sleep. Plus, the satiating effect of protein can help curb nighttime snacking on less healthy options. While eggs are protein-rich, they are not excessively high in calories, which makes them a good choice if you feel hungry before sleep.
Are there any downsides?
Now, despite the benefits, it's important to note that everyone's body is different. Some people may find that eating anything too close to bedtime can lead to discomfort or indigestion. Others may have specific dietary needs or restrictions that need to be considered. For example, eggs are high in cholesterol, which might be a concern for individuals managing their cholesterol levels. In conclusion, for most people, it's perfectly safe and even beneficial to consume boiled eggs at night. They are a healthy, protein-rich snack that can support nighttime muscle repair and growth, and they won't typically disrupt your sleep. However, always listen to your body and adjust your diet to your unique needs. Until next time, eat well and rest well.